Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and I wanted to introduce you to Fronk. He's one of the Pencil Pal students who will be going back to school really, really soon, and he's actually the one that's looking forward to it the most. Fronk's favorite subjects are computers and science, and he's definitely the teacher's pet. You know this kid. He's the one that sits up front in class and raises his hand or interrupts the teacher at every opportunity. His backpack is bulging with pencils and crayons and highlighters and notebooks, and you can be sure everything is color-coded and organized. And at lunch, you might not find him out on the playground, but rather sitting in the corner poring over science books or in the computer lab playing on the computers. He's definitely the kid you want helping you with your homework. So come to class and learn all about icing consistencies and flooding and wet-on-wet effects, and also how to create separation and dimension on your cookies. And you can meet all of the other students in the class as we decorate 5 different cookies. You'll even learn all about royal icing transfers. And if you're one of those nerdy learners like Fronk, there's even extra credit where you'll learn to make 2 more cookies and some bonus tutorials. Fronk and I hope to see you there.